Create an ultra-realistic cinematic video of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster driving on a wide, empty modern highway during golden hour. The scene opens with a slow aerial drone shot revealing the sleek emerald green Lamborghini Sian Roadster positioned in the center of the road. The carbon fiber body reflects the warm orange sunlight, emphasizing sharp aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED headlights, and the aggressive front splitter. The camera slowly descends and transitions into a low-angle tracking shot alongside the car, capturing the spinning alloy wheels and glowing brake calipers. The road is smooth, clean, and slightly reflective, surrounded by minimalistic futuristic architecture in the distance. The sky shows a dramatic gradient of orange, pink, and purple clouds, adding emotional depth and cinematic atmosphere. As the car accelerates, subtle motion blur appears on the background while the vehicle remains razor-sharp in focus. The soundless visual emphasizes luxury, power, and elegance. The camera switches to a rear three-quarter angle, highlighting the iconic hexagonal taillights, active rear spoiler, and central exhaust design. Light dust particles and heat waves subtly rise from the asphalt, enhancing realism. The interior shots briefly appear: premium leather seats, carbon accents, digital dashboard glowing softly, and the open-top roadster design letting sunlight flow inside. Lighting remains natural and cinematic, with realistic shadows, global illumination, and ray-traced reflections on the paint and glass. The scene concludes with the Lamborghini disappearing into the horizon as the sun slowly sets, symbolizing futuristic luxury and unmatched performance. Ultra-detailed textures, hyper-realistic materials, smooth camera movements, cinematic depth of field, film-grade color grading, 16:9 aspect ratio, 4K Ultra HD, realistic physics, luxury hypercar mood. Generate a hyper-realistic nighttime cinematic video of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster driving through a futuristic cyberpunk city. The car features a matte black finish with neon green accents glowing subtly along the edges, wheels, and headlights. The scene opens with rain gently falling, neon signs reflecting off the wet road surface. Skyscrapers tower above, covered in holographic advertisements and glowing billboards. The camera begins with a dramatic low-angle front shot as the Lamborghini slowly rolls forward. The sharp LED headlights cut through the mist, creating volumetric light beams. Water droplets slide across the carbon fiber body, reflecting pink, blue, and purple neon lights. The camera tracks the car from the side, capturing spinning wheels splashing water, while reflections dance across the pavement. Occasional close-ups show the Lamborghini badge, the angular hood vents, and the aggressive aerodynamic details. The city feels alive yet empty, creating a powerful contrast between solitude and speed. The camera transitions into a dynamic chase angle, moving behind the car as it accelerates through tunnels and intersections, neon lights streaking into motion blur. Interior shots reveal a futuristic cockpit glowing with digital displays, ambient lighting, and premium materials. Rain sounds are implied visually through droplets and reflections. The mood is dark, intense, and high-tech. Cinematic lighting, realistic rain physics, ray-traced reflections, ultra-sharp textures, dramatic shadows, smooth camera motion, film-style color grading, 16:9 ratio, 4K resolution, cyberpunk hypercar aesthetic. Create a cinematic ultra-realistic video of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster racing through an endless desert highway. The car is metallic gold, shining intensely under the harsh midday sun. The scene opens with a wide aerial shot showing the empty desert landscape, cracked asphalt road cutting through sand dunes. The Lamborghini appears in the distance and rapidly approaches. The camera switches to a low front angle, capturing aggressive headlights, sharp hood lines, and intense reflections of sunlight. Heat waves distort the air above the road, adding realism. Dust particles lift behind the tires as the car accelerates. Tracking shots follow the Lamborghini at high speed, emphasizing raw power and performance. The suspension reacts realistically to subtle road imperfections. Close-ups highlight carbon fiber textures, air intakes, and spinning wheels. The desert environment feels vast, silent, and extreme. The camera transitions to a cinematic slow-motion shot as the car passes the camera, sand flying in the air. The sky is deep blue with harsh sunlight creating strong shadows. The open-top Roadster design allows sunlight to flood the interior. The video ends with a wide shot of the Lamborghini disappearing into the desert horizon, symbolizing dominance, speed, and freedom. Ultra-realistic physics, cinematic color grading, 16:9, 4K Ultra HD, dramatic realism. Generate an ultra-realistic cinematic showroom reveal of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster in pearl white. The scene begins in darkness, slowly illuminated by soft spotlights. The camera glides smoothly around the stationary car, revealing its sculpted body and premium materials. Soft reflections highlight every curve, carbon fiber detail, and aerodynamic element. The environment is a high-end luxury showroom with marble floors, subtle reflections, and minimalistic design. Close-ups focus on headlights, wheels, interior stitching, dashboard displays, and steering wheel. The camera moves with elegance, emphasizing luxury rather than speed. Lighting is controlled, cinematic, and refined. Ultra-sharp detail, film-grade polish, premium aesthetic, 16:9, 4K. Create a cinematic drone-style video of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster driving on a winding mountain road. The car is deep red carbon finish. The environment includes sharp curves, cliffs, and clouds below the road. Dynamic camera angles follow the Lamborghini as it corners aggressively. Realistic tire grip, body roll, and suspension movement are visible. The sky is dramatic, with sunlight breaking through clouds. Aerial shots emphasize scale and performance. Close-ups show intense focus on speed and control. Cinematic realism, 16:9, Ultra HD. Generate a dramatic ultra-realistic rainy night video of a 2026 Lamborghini Sian Roadster on an empty road. Dark gray body, rain falling heavily, reflections everywhere. The mood is emotional and powerful. Slow tracking shots, water splashes, headlight reflections, and cinematic shadows dominate the scene. Interior shots show calm luxury inside chaos. The video ends with the Lamborghini stopping under street lights, rain falling, engine heat visible. Cinematic depth, 16:9.